When we first started working on the Irrational International, in order to make room for the exhaust manifolds and the steering, we had to relocate the front shock mounts. When we did that, we learned that the shocks, well, they weren't doing much. We put them all the way in and they didn't move. So today, we're gonna fix that, and hopefully we get a couple inches up out of this truck to give us a little bit more clearance when we're hitting those bumps this summer.
Let's get started.
We got these Tough Country nitro gas shocks. We elected to get the boots to make sure that the shaft stays clean, and we didn't have the easiest time finding these until we pulled out the old shocks, measured the extended length and the compressed length, used those dimensions to filter through the different shocks at summitracing.com, where we found these bad boys. Now, let's get these things together and put them in the truck. The height of the frame rail. This truck is not lift. We'll go 13 from the bottom. Yeah. Now let's get this front end jacked up, take out these two front shocks, and get the new ones in. Let's get this first shock off. That in and turn and push. Then you can see the performance of these old shocks. Oh, geez. There we go. All right. Top. So like that. Got him.
Got him!
There we go. Just like that. Look at my dirty paw prints getting all over the nice new shock. In here, now I can get up. Hey! Get a couple threads on there. All right, she's a little snug there. Bottom. Oh, gee whiz, Rick.
Oh, geez, Rick!
Wow. Hoofda. It's getting hot in here. Oh, shoot. Jake, that's not a sponsored shirt. I just realized that. Wait. Hey. And we're back. Much better. All right, Lee, you don't have the other shock in yet? There we go. Side done. Done with one shock, on to the second. Dude, watch the paint.
Dude, watch the paint.
We'll squirt the rear too with some WD-40, so that way once we get back there, we can just get right to it. Ooh, look at that. Works wonders. That didn't look like it was going anywhere. Alright, got that off. Look at that. She popped right off. Good boy. This on the bottom, this one on top. Alright, I'm wondering if we want to put the bottom in first on this one. Push the top down. I'm just going to drop that right there. Alright. There we go. There we go. Alright, there they are. Let's get these tightened up and drop it and see what it looks like. Do you see the fear in my face there?
Dude!
There we go. Let's get the bottom. Right. Let's drop it.
Doesn't look like a lot of travel.
I mean, there's a little bit there. Okay. So we do have 3 inches of travel. So I think we're good. It's not as bad as we initially anticipated when we dropped that jack. We didn't get much of a lift, but we still have a couple inches of travel out of those shocks. And if you remember, we stuffed a V8 into this. So this has a lot more weight up front than it normally would, meaning that we should also upgrade those leaf springs, which will give us even more travel on those shocks. In the meantime, let's get to those rear brakes. Oh, Jesus. Oh, man, I thought that was the cut too. I thought that was the cut. You guys should like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you can see when we put in new leaf springs in this bad boy. Let's get to those rear, I was going to say brakes again. Let's get to those rear shocks. Oh. There we go. Lee, my tools. Oh boy, that came loose already. Where'd it go? Oh. Alright. Oh, the old, in with the new. So, I'm going to take and put that on here now with the spacer, so I don't forget. This out. Let's get this new one in there.
Not a whole lot of tread space over here.
Got it? Sweet. Hey, look at those beautiful brake lines. If you guys want to see how we built those beautiful brake lines, hit the link up here. Wow, it's tightening up pretty quick. Alright. I'm gonna do the last one. Oh, there we go. Heck yeah. There we go. Alright. So I'm gonna put it on the top. There we go. Alright, and then this one. There we go. Last one, guys. There we go. All right. There we go. Let's drop this bad boy down. Oh, shoot. Oop.
It looks better back here.
Yeah, it does. I think it's because we don't have the added weight of the V8 engine. Look at that.
Yeah.
Got about a 3/4 inch lift.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Quarter-inch lift on the back.
Doesn't go nowhere either. And there you have it, this episode of the Roy Garage where we got rid of these crappy shocks that obviously aren't doing anything and threw in some brand new ones. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when another episode of the Roy Garage drops. Anybody home? Careful. Oh, that was smooth.